Good day everyone, so welcome again to our mini vlog, and today we're going to feature this 200cc version 1 farm. Alright, so shoutout po pala kay Sir Bet. Ayan, so ikaw ang bet ko, Uncle Bet Flores ng Makabebe, Pampanga. Sir, dito na unit mo at i-check na lang po natin. Alright, so let's go. So let's check ng ilaw. Ayan, this is the high and this is the low. And signal light to my right and signal light to my left. Ayan, tapos busina po tayo. Start naman natin. Ayan, let's go forward. Ayan, let's go backward naman po. Pa-check natin yung likod natin. Okay, this is the tail light. This is the brake light. Okay, signal light to my right. And let's go signal light to my left. Okay, let's go backward naman po. Ayan, so pakita lang natin na all is well kay Uncle Bet. Ayan. Okay, so aside from that, meron pa rin pala tong trapal. So we also have here the detachable trapal. Ayan o, may kita natin na ito ay pwedeng alisin at the same time pwede natin siyang ikabit. So ano lang naman meron dito ay isang magic tape. Ayan o, magic tape lang naman ang nilalagay yan. So iniipit-ipit lang po. So this is the loop. Ayan, so lagay lang natin for sample lang. Ayan, ganyan lang po siya. Ayan. So mamaya, papakita natin ngayon, pagka dyan na po, i-demo po namin sa inyo kung paano magkabit ng trapal. Okay, aside from that po, sir, makita nyo dito, malabo yung kanyang windshield dahil meron siyang plastic. Okay. So ito po, harap at saka likod para maging clear yung glass niya. Ayan. So clear na, makikita nyo dito, clear na. Compare dito sa isa ay hindi siya clear. Ayan, so natatanggal lang po yan. Ayan. So mamaya alisin po natin lahat yan once na deliver na po. Okay. Ayan, thank you so much Sir Uncle. Yan, bet na bet talaga kita. Thank you so much.